Hello everyone and welcome to NetGlow WORLD YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how to start and grow a gaming YouTube channel. Whether you're a seasoned gamer looking to share your passion or someone just starting out, this video will provide you with a step-by-step guide to help you build a successful gaming channel on YouTube. Step 1. Define your niche. The first step in starting a gaming YouTube channel is defining your niche. What type of gaming content do you want to create? Are you interested in gameplay walkthroughs, reviews, let's plays, tutorials, or perhaps a combination of these? Finding your niche is crucial as it helps you stand out in a crowded space and attracts a specific audience interested in your content. Step 2. Create high-quality content. Once you've defined your niche, it's time to focus on creating high-quality content. Invest in good recording equipment, such as a decent microphone and a capture card if you're recording console gameplay. Ensure your videos have high-quality visuals and clear audio. Engaging commentary and editing can also make your content more appealing to viewers. Step 3. Develop your brand. Building a strong brand is essential for attracting and retaining viewers. Create a unique channel name, logo, and banner that reflect your personality and the type of content you produce. Consistent branding across all your social media platforms helps viewers recognize and remember your channel. Step 4. Optimize your channel. Optimizing your channel for search is crucial for attracting new viewers. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve search visibility. Create compelling thumbnails that grab viewers' attention and encourage them to click on your videos. Regularly update your channel with fresh content to keep your audience engaged. Step 5. Promote your channel. Promotion is key to growing your channel's audience. Share your videos on social media platforms, gaming forums, and Reddit communities relevant to your niche. Collaborate with other YouTubers or Twitch streamers to reach a wider audience. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Step 6. Consistency is key. Consistency is crucial for building a loyal audience. Stick to a regular upload schedule so your audience knows when to expect new content from you. Consistency helps build trust and loyalty with your viewers, leading to higher retention rates and more subscribers. Step 7. Interact with your audience. Engaging with your audience is essential for building a sense of community around your channel. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. Respond to their comments and feedback to foster a sense of connection. Consider hosting live streams or Q&A sessions to interact with your audience in real time. Step 8. Study analytics. Analyzing your channel's performance is essential for understanding what works and what doesn't. Pay attention to your YouTube analytics to identify trends and patterns in your viewership. Use this data to refine your content strategy and cater to your audience's preferences. Step 9. Stay updated. Staying updated with the latest gaming trends and news is crucial for staying relevant in the gaming community. Keep an eye on new game releases, updates, and industry developments. Experiment with new ideas and formats to keep your content fresh and interesting for your audience. Step 10. Monetize your channel. Once you've grown your channel and met YouTube's eligibility requirements, you can monetize your videos through various means such as ads, sponsorships, merchandise, and memberships. Monetization allows you to turn your passion for gaming into a source of income and reward for your hard work. In conclusion, starting and growing a gaming YouTube channel requires dedication, consistency, and strategic planning. By defining your niche, creating high-quality content, building a strong brand, and engaging with your audience, you can build a successful channel that attracts viewers and generates revenue. Remember to stay updated with the latest trends and adapt your content strategy accordingly. With persistence and hard work, you can turn your passion for gaming into a thriving YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. And as always, happy gaming!